welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about my frugal cleaning tips and what I use around my house. I'm starting with how I do my laundry detergent. I do about 1 kg of powder to 1 kg of soda crystals, just the cheap powder, and this is why I add the soda crystals, and it keeps this a lot cheaper for me. So I mix it thoroughly together, so each scoop has like an even amount, and it just keeps the cost down as the soda crystals are a good stain remover too. I do buy a fabric conditioner which I use in certain loads such as towels, but I just buy the Tesco's own brand. I find this works just as well and smells just as nice, and my clothes smell nice at the end. I also buy a stain remover. This just a Tesco's own brand, and I use it on collars and deodorant stains, things like that. Now on to cleaning. I clean with an all-purpose cleaner, and I will show you how I fill up my bottle in a moment. I buy washing up liquid from Pound Stretcher because it's the cheapest I can find for the best quality, foams up nice. And I was given this flash, I think by my mum. I use it in my spray mop, but I won't buy it again once I finished it. Now on to deodorizing. Bicarb is a great deodorizer. You can sprinkle it on your carpets to get out any unwanted smells. It's the cheapest by far if you're looking to do large areas. I, however, like a bit of fragrance with mine. Pound Stretcher again. I get my carpet fresheners. I think I paid 69p for the blue one and 89p for the Astonish one, and I just like it because it adds a nice smell. So, like I said, you work to your preference and your budget. I use reusable cloths. I use reusable mop heads, ones that just go in the wash. That saves me a lot of money. I do like vinegar for cleaning windows and glass. I'm not a fan of the smell for cleaning my house, but I do like it for windows as it helps prevent streaks. So what you see here are the chemicals that my work gave to us employees when I think they changed suppliers. So I have a fabric and linen freshener that I just pour into my little spray bottle, and some descaler. I wasn't going to say no to free products. Again, it's not something I would look to buy, but I'm happy when they're free. I just wanted to say you could pretty much clean your whole house with washing up liquid if you chose to. You just have to make sure you rinse very well. But I use an all-purpose cleaner. I buy a bulk one. I think these are about £11, £12 when I bought it, and I've had this one for a long time. So what I do is I fill my bottle up halfway with water, and then I top it up with the all-purpose cleaner. I use this in my kitchen, I use it in my bathroom, in the toilet, I do my kitchen cupboards. I even sprayed it on the floor to mop the floor. An all-purpose cleaner is all you need, one cleaner. I do also sometimes have bleach. I haven't actually got any in the house at the moment. I need to buy some more, but I very, very rarely use bleach. I use this cleaner for everything. I could even spray it on my table and it polishes my table up nice. So as you probably guessed by now, I suggest one all-purpose cleaner to clean your house with. So I do have some extra bits that I have, like mold remover. I have an oven cleaner. These have been in my cupboard for a long time. I use them sparingly. I save old toothbrushes to get in nooks and crannies around taps and things. Toothbrushes are great. Save your old toothbrushes, guys. You just wash them, reuse them. And that's pretty much my cleaning cupboard. My cleaning tips for you. Just keep it simple and keep your budget low. You don't need a lot to clean your house, and just vinegar and washing up liquid would do if that's all you've got. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.